Here comes your pre-market summary for Tuesday, May 2nd. Futures trying to get back to the upside here this morning. We're still stuck in negative territory, pretty flat overall to kick things off. More economic data to come this morning. All of it, though, will be at 10 o'clock. So after the open, here's how things are shaping up right now. 0.2 for the S&P, the Dow basically flat, the NASDAQ as well. After a pretty choppy session to start things off on Monday, bit of a round trip. We went higher, we went lower. We end the day basically back at break even, negative 0.4 there for the TSX futures here in Toronto, pointing to lower open as well. We're back in positive territory for both Bitcoin and Ethereum after a bit of a sell-off to start the week. Here's what I was mentioning there, 10 o'clock, U.S. factory orders coming up, JOLTS job openings, that's a listings number. So we'll get a look at listings compared to what happened last month. Was a big market mover last month, if you remember. Durable goods data coming out as well at 10 o'clock. So a number of individual data points to pay attention to this morning. Overall, bit of a quiet day yesterday, as I mentioned there for the S&P. And there's the Qs, the NASDAQ back within that range from Friday's session. Few individual names moving around here so far this morning, including some of the semiconductors ahead of AMD after the close tonight. We had NVDA, just a monster yesterday. ON Semiconductor reported on Monday. NXPI reporting as well. Better than expected forecast coming through for them. So we'll have a look at chip names once again, as I mentioned. Yeah, huge green candle breakout for NVIDIA on Monday. Looking pretty good on the daily chart, to say the least. Again, ON with better than expected results. Uber out here this morning. Pre-market up nicely so far after a better than expected report and forecast as well. Right across the board. Still struggling, though, for profitability. Tesla raising prices once again in the U.S., China, Japan, and Canada. We'll talk a little bit about that. Some comments from Elon coming through as well. Got more details on that Meta offering coming through over the next couple of weeks and months. We'll talk about Meta once again, another one that was super strong. And some positive analyst moves for SOFI, but mostly negative as far as price action yesterday. For SOFI, there was one downgrade. We'll talk about that coming off that earnings report. Huge reversal. Meta shares officially up 100% on the year. So there's that as well. Grab the watch list, guys. QR code, bottom of the screen. We'll get you to that link. Enter your email address. Comes right to your inbox. We'll see you at 8:30 on TraderTV.Live.